students, today my topic is method of preparation of aldehyde and ketone. Now aldehyde is prepared by primary alcohol. This is the primary alcohol. Now this primary alcohol, when catalyzed by oxygen and K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate, and H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, then we get aldehyde. Now ketone. Secondary alcohol, when react with oxygen in the presence of the same catalyst, they form ketone with one molecule of water. When secondary alcohol in the presence of acetone and aluminum tertiary butaoxide, that is this aluminum tertiary buta, because of 4C, this 3 and this 1, 4C is butaoxide, then get oxidized into ketone. So this reaction is known as opener oxidation. For example, here we have alcohol and here we have ketone. This is secondary alcohol and this is ketone. When both of these react in this catalyst, in the presence of this catalyst, then both the functional alkyl group get exchanged. CH3 comes to this side and RR comes to this side. See the product. So it formed ketone and aldehyde all together. Next is Grignard reagent, that is RMGX. When hydrogen cyanide react with Grignard reagent, they form the complex ester and acid chloride complex. So this addition product, when get reacted with water molecule, it forms aldehyde and magnesium hydroxide chloride. Now again the alkyl cyanide, when react with RMGX, that is Grignard reagent, again it forms the intermediate ester acid chloride complex. Then in this because of alkyl it forms ketone. Now Rosenmund reaction, acid chloride are reduced to aldehyde when their solution in xylene is allowed to react with H2PD BaSO4. This is xylene. Xylene is what? When in ortho or meta position there is CH3 alkyl group is attached. Now this xylene is solution allowed to just react with this catalyst. So we have acid chloride here. When in the presence of this catalyst, this acid chloride get react, then aldehyde is formed. Now BaSO4 act as a poison for platinum and platinum, and in the presence of they prevent the reduction. So their method is not useful for ketone. By Stephen's reaction, when stannous chloride react with concentrated HCl to form nascent hydrogens, such like that. This is the stannous chloride, and when it react with HCl, then it forms stannic chloride and nascent hydrogen. When this nascent hydrogen react with alkyl cyanide, then it forms aldimine. When this aldimine react with HCl, then it forms aldimine hydrochloride. When this aldimine hydrochloride react with water molecule, it forms aldehyde. Now, physical property. Formaldehyde is gas at room temperature. Formaldehyde is what? HCHO is a formaldehyde. Now, they are colorless volatile liquid. Volatile in the presence of air, they get evaporated. Higher aldehyde are colorless solid. Lower aldehyde have unpleasant odor. Higher aldehyde and ketone have pleasant fruit smell. Due to presence of dipole attraction like this is two poles, dipole attraction between the two polar carbonyl group, boiling point of aldehyde is high. Its boiling point is lower than alcohol due to the absence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. There is no hydrogen bonding over there. So carbonyl compound are soluble in organic solvent like ether and alcohol, and density, that is mass upon volume, is less than water. Thank you. So my question is for today is, what is the method of preparation of aldehyde in ketone and what is its physical properties?